Welcome to the Adsonica Academy. In this video you'll learn how to use the in-studio sound editor. So after uploading your audio, click on Edit to the right hand side. Here you can drag the start and stop markers above the timeline to edit the audio length. You can also reduce the sample rate, which will reduce the file size. You do this by clicking on the drop-down menu next to Change Rate and choosing your new sample rate. When you're done, click Send to get the edited version. And you can click play just to check the quality. So that is now 41 KB compared to the 50 KB before I changed the sample rate. I'm happy with that, so I'll click Replace in the bottom right hand corner to swap it into my ad. All that's left to do is to preview your ad and then save it in your preferred file format. Watch our Saving Your Ad tutorial to learn more about the various file formats available to save. Thanks for watching this Adsonica Academy tutorial. Now you're ready to distribute audio ads with edited audio tracks, harnessing the power of sound to increase engagement and brand awareness across the internet. Get started in the studio today or head to the Academy for more tutorials.